Welcome back to another video. I've got no nails on, so what does that mean? I'm going to get my nails did today. So, I'm doing another Lazy Girl set on my own nails. And I thought I need to do a more traditional colour set. I've done every shade of pink, purple, I've done a few blue. But I haven't done any red or green traditional colours. I don't like red and green together actually, not on my nails. But I don't mind red and white, so I've gone with red and white today, and a teeny weeny little bit of gold at the end. So I've already prepped my nails, my cuticles have been pushed back, I've got rid of all the dead skin. So I'm just going to go straight in and start by showing you the Polygel. So I'm using Makartt Glitter Polygel. I think this is called their Mermaid Glitter Polygel, and I'm just going to use the white one out of it. That's the colours there, so I'm just going to use that one on the left. It's like a white shimmer. It does come across silver on camera, but it's not. It's actually white with a shimmer in it. So now we're going to get started. I'm just cleaning my nails with a bit of alcohol, getting any cream off that's left on my hands, and I'm just going to buff off that shiny surface as well. Then I'm going to go in with my Venalisa dehydrator and primer. So these are the tips that I'm using. These are the tips I normally use when I'm doing Lazy Girl. I don't like them really long. These are quite long, but they're not really long. So for this Lazy Girl method, you need to etch the inside of your tips. Get a file and just rough up the inside of your tips. I've seen people using a bit of acetone or primer to get that shiny surface off as well. You could try that. But yeah, just make sure you get that shiny surface off just from the bit that's going to be sticking to your natural nail. So I wanted to use this glitter. It's beautiful, from Charlie's Nail Art. It's called Candy Cane, and it's just a matte white, but it's got a beautiful metallic red hex in there, and it's got tiny little bits of mylar. It's a really, really sparkly, pretty glitter. I love it. So like I normally do with this method, I'm putting the base coat on the inside of the tips, and I'm going to just put the glitter into that wet base coat. So this is going to be the pinky, and I want to completely cover this pinky in the glitter. So I'm going to completely cover that whole tip. Try and keep it thin at the cuticle area. And then once I've completely covered that, that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. So that the glitter stays exactly where it is and it won't move about when it comes to putting the Polygel in. So just have a quick check underneath that it's completely covered and there's no gaps. And stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So onto the next nail now. This is going to be my ring finger. This ring finger and pointer finger are going to be the same. I'm just going to do a glitter fade coming up from the tip of those two nails. So just pack it in quite busy at the tip, or you could do the fade coming down from the top. You can put the glitter wherever you want. So I'm going to let you watch this, and I'm just going to do a little glitter swoosh, like a swirly line going up what would be the thumb. And I've not put any glitter on the middle nail. I want that to just be plain Polygel. And they all get cured for 30 seconds. Right, so that is all my glitter cured into place now, so we can start with the Polygel. So I'm going to start with the pinky again, and I'm just going to put a blob into that pinky, and I use base coat as a slip solution for this set because my SXC Lazy Girl Polygel kit that I got, It came with a slip solution in a bottle like this, and it just felt like base coat. And I thought it was so much easier. I didn't have to keep dipping my brush in alcohol. So yeah, I thought I'd try the base coat with it this time, and it did. It worked brilliantly. Anyway, get that Polygel nice and thin at the cuticle area and pull it down that whole nail, and make sure the Polygel is right up the sides so that you don't get no gaps. Just completely fill that tip. You only want a thin layer though, really. You don't want it thick. The thickest part should be the middle area of the nail. And just keep pushing it and patting it into place and smooth it out the best you can. And then we're literally just going to place it on the nail. You don't need to press down. In the beginning, when I used to do this method, I used to press down so hard and it'd all squish out the end. You don't need to press down hard. I've totally forgot to base coat my nails. So I'm just giving my nails a nice thin even coat of base coat, and I'm going to quickly stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds and then we can get these nails on. Totally forgot. You don't have to base coat your nails, but I like to base coat them, so when I'm filing these off, I know when I get to the base coat kind of thing, it protects my nails. So look, just place it on, leave a little millimetre gap between your cuticle and the nail tip. Make sure it's straight, make sure it's flat underneath, and if you get any that's leaked out the side, just dip your brush, a clean up brush, in a bit of alcohol and just wipe down the sides, get rid of any that might have leaked out. I didn't have any alcohol out because I'm using base coat as a slip solution, so that's what that was. I had to get some alcohol out. Can you see a little bit leaked out there? Just get rid of that. Either pat it and press it down underneath, or just completely remove the little bits that hang out. I couldn't get hold of the little bugger. It's late at night, guys. I get so giddy when I'm tired. Anyway, just wipe up, just clean up down them sides, straighten it up again, and bang it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to leave you to watch. I'll just quickly show you another one or two. I'll probably show you the middle nail because that's got no glitter in it. It's just a full Polygel nail. And I'll be back shortly. Right guys, that is them all on, all cured, nice and neat and flat underneath. I'm really happy with them, really happy with them. just that polygel looks silver, doesn't it? And it's not, it's white. So I'm going to give them a quick file around the cuticle area where you get that little lip. I like to just file it and blend it in a little bit better. And then I'm going to buff off all that shiny surface so we can decorate them. So that's them all filed and buffed. I'm just getting rid of any dust with a lint-free pad and some alcohol. And I've done my other hand off camera. So I'm going to start by getting some bling out. So I wanted to put some red and some transparent gems on these nails. And I pulled out all my gems from Charlie's nail art. And it took me ages to decide which one. But I've gone with this candy cane on the left hand that's going on. So I'm going to stick some rhinestone glue on these nails. Get this candy cane on. And some gems on. And I'm going to do my right hand slightly different because I ran out of red gems. I didn't have enough red gems to do my right hand the same as the left hand. But they still turned out really pretty. So I'll leave you to watch me get these rhinestones on and top coat, and I'll be back at the end. Right, that's them finished. I love them. They are so blinged up. I hate bling. But it's Christmas. If you can't wear bling at Christmas, then you're boring fart, aren't you? Can you see my right hand? I didn't have enough gems to do them kind of stripes that I've done on this hand. So yeah, I think I need to order myself some red gems. But yeah, I really like them. Like I said, I don't like your traditional red and green together. But I don't mind red and white. So, yeah, I'm really happy with them. Don't forget, guys, I've got discount codes for Makartt and Charlie's Nail Art. They're always in my description box with links to the website. But, yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.